The name of this project is School Management System, and two types of user can log in there: admin and teacher. So the admin password is super admin, and the password is 1234. And I already set up this password in my code in the backend, and now I'm logging in there. And this is the admin dashboard, and there are different features for the admin. At the first one, admin can selected subjects. You can all see there. Admin can add subject by subject code, subject name, and subject description. Like I'm adding their math class 6, and can add their mathematics and geometry 6, and also I'm doing there the same thing. Control C, Control V, and see subject is created successfully. And admin can also update the subject information and also delete the subject information. And after that, he will be select the class. Which classes he selected? Suppose he will be selected class 7 or class 8 or 9. I'm now added a subject class name. Suppose he is added KG1, and room number will be 008. And now he can select multiple subject for this, like this. And this subject is fetching, and this subject list is fetching from the subject management. And now see, KG9 is there. And now admin can also update the subject and delete the class list. And admin can also edit teacher, update teacher, and delete teacher. And here is different type of information for a teacher, like subject teacher of, and teacher name, teacher age, sex, which classes subject teacher will be she or he, class teacher of contact, and other. This information need to add for edit a subject, his full name, age, select gender, and there is the selected mail, and then contact number and join date, and academical information also need. And there is a condition: if any class teacher will be selected as a class teacher of class 2, he cannot assign as a subject teacher of that classes. He can assign as a subject teacher others classes, and like this class 5, and he will be assigned as a class 5 English teacher, and something like that. He also added different classes, more classes for subject teacher. And this is the added teacher information. And admin can also update teachers information and also delete teacher information, and he can also view details and make details as a teacher. And this is the subject students record. And admin can also assign student or admit students. And for admit students, need this type of information: student ID, name, class, age, sex, male, father's name, mother's name, guardian contact, guardian profession, religious, caste, and any other else. And one student, if will be assigned a specific ID in a specific class, then those student cannot then another student cannot assign the same ID for the same class. This is the restriction in there. And now I'm going to back, and in the subject records he can view details by pressing this icon. So something is there. And now this is the dashboard of admin. Admin can see the all teacher record clicking this, and all students record clicking this card, And admin can see the present students of daily by selecting class wise. Suppose if he will be class 1 selected, then admin can also see the class 1 students in there. And when he selected class 4, now I am not taking any attendance of any classes, that's why not data is present, but he can do this like this. And also same for the absent student, admin can also see the class wise absent students in daily day. And now this is the list of failed students. Admin can also yearly fail students list in every year. And admin can also the 4 years student admission data in there. And if it will be updated 2025, 2026, and 2027, 2028, 29, and when the 2020-30 will become, admin can, this 2025 will be removed. And how many students assigned or admit in a year, it will be also show in this graph. And current present students, daily students attendance performance will be shown by a pie chart. And now uh, teacher will be assigned for the specific name, username, and id which admin already gave him. Suppose now I am take the teacher id from the database, because I'm not seeing there. So let's see, control v, and username will be the gmail id, and password will be the contact list. Password will be the contact number, sorry, password will be the contact number, and then you will be added the captcha. So yes, now see, Mr. Jahangir Alam is the class teacher of class 2. So Jahangir Alam can see the total students of class, and the present student and absent student. And see, since he is the class teacher of class 2, he can see only the class teacher student information. He can see the view details, but he cannot update or deleted data of this student. This work can only do by admin. And attendance, Jahangir Alam can take attendance in the class 2 students and submit it like this. And Jahangir Alam can see, can submitted those students result which students assigned which classes as a subject teacher he will be assigned. And after submitting, it will be submitted, that's why it's in there. And when he will be selected the another class, there is no other students, he can also submitted those number. And Jahangir Alam, since the student class teacher of the class 2, so he can see the all results of class 2 students like this. If he will be selected Ashik Hussain, he can see the result of Ashik Hussain. If he will be select the Punti Soni, he can see the result of Punti Soni, and the others will see. And like this, every class teacher can see the information of those student, which students class teacher he is or she is. Like now I am logging the another class teacher like Nuri, uh, control C, this is the control V. And now I'm going to take the contact number for the password, control V. So if the class Nuri class teacher will be logging, oh sorry, I didn't give this, see, will be login. And see, now Nuri can see the no, students of his under, he can see the class 1 students. Okay, so I did this type of, he can submit the students of class 3 information, mathematics. Okay, fine, he can submit data, default results 8 and 2. If any students will be failed, he can also see this 49. And 7. I'm just inputting the number. And see, since the half yearly exam restrictions is 30, he cannot input the upper number of before 13. See, the is only 2. Marxist ethnicity is 10. So he cannot do this. It's need to 23. So 44, and can submit this. And the subject teacher can update the subject information within 24 hours. And this binding is I gave the backend. So can see after taking the student attendance, teacher can also see the all student attendance performance like this. Now I'm taking attendance. Okay, fine. And see. Okay. So yeah, attendance is doing this there. See, here is the present student and absent student data can see class teacher, and also admin can see the all results of the all student of whole school. For let's see there, I'm putting the password again. Control C, Control V. After taking this, you can see admin can see this date will be updated day by day. Admin can see the overall all students absent list, and then this graph, and admin can also see the results of every classes all students, like class 1 students. He will be select Amar bin Toy. If his result is not submitted, then he can see the information. In class 3, he can select Diana Awal. Diana Awal is getting this marks. This is his. And this is class 2, class information. Class 2, class all information. So admin can see the all results of all students in result. And he can also class-wise present and absent students, like in there, like this, and also like this. So yeah, that's all about my project today. Thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz.